In this video, we will be going over an 11 plus question. So this question will be maybe similar to ones that you get in your entrance exams, or it may be similar to the ones you have done in your preparation for your entrance exams. So now we're going to tackle our question. John is tiling one wall of his bedroom. The wall is 5 meters long and 2.4 meters high. He uses rectangular tiles which measure 10 centimeters by 60 centimeters. What is the least number of tiles he will need? So, on our left, moving to our right, our first and second diagrams, we have a sketch of the wall, not to scale, and we have a sketch of a tile as well. That's not to scale too. So, the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to convert our units so that we have the same unit that we deal with. So, we're going to convert everything to meters. So there are 100 centimeters in 1 meter. And so to convert from centimeters to meters, we're going to divide by 100. So our 10 centimeters, we divide by 100, we get 0.1 meters. And for our 60 centimeters, when we divide by 100, we get 0.6 meters. Now we've converted our units. We can now try and see how we're going to arrange the tiles on the wall. So there are two calculations that we can start off with. We can do 2.4 over 0.6, or we can do 5 over 0.6. So now this is how we're planning on arranging the tiles. So we could have the length of the tile where it's 0.6 against the side of the wall where it's 2.4, or we could try and do it against the side of the wall which is 5 meters. So now what we're going to do division. So let's multiply our numerator and our denominator by 10. So it gives us nice easy numbers to work with. So this gives us 24 over 6, and if we divide 24 by 6, we should get 4. Now we can do a similar thing with our 5 over 0.6. We multiply our numerator and denominator by 10. So this gives us 50 over 6. And so if you were to do division of this, you would get 8.3 recurring. You get 8.3 recurring, but we don't want to deal with these decimal values when we have an integer value of 4 tiles. So we are not going to do 5 over 0.6. We're going to stick with our 2.4 over 0.6, as this gives us nice easy integer value which we can manipulate. Now, since the length of the tile of 0.6 meters goes against the side of the wall that's 2.4 meters, we are left with the length of the tile that's 0.1 meters going against the length of the wall that's 5 meters. So what we can do here is, in a similar way that we did the calculation for the height, we can do 5 over 0.1. Now what we're going to do is we're going to multiply our numerator and our denominator by 10. And what this gives us is 50 over 1. And we all know that any number divided by 1 is itself. So 50 over 1 is equal to 50. And that'll be 50 tiles lined up against the 5 meter length of the wall. And we have 4 tiles lined up against the 2.4 meter height of the wall. Now what this gives us is a 4 by 50 grid over which John can place the tiles on his wall. So if we do 4 times 50, so 4 in the height and 50 in the length, we get 2 100 tiles. And this is the least number of tiles that John will have to use to completely cover one wall of his bedroom. As always, thank you for watching and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on any new content.